Welcome to Creamer Media's Resources Watch, the weekly video roundup of the events and people making and shaping the news in the mining industry. This week, new green hydrogen trading-based uplifting platinum group metals demand outlook. Copper 360 ships concentrate on course to pay first dividend next year. And pilot Crushtec introduces Swedish brand of large-scale crushers to the Southern African markets. The green hydrogen sector now has a digital platform on which users can buy and sell green hydrogen with the click of a button.
It's the digital approach, it's marketplaces, websites that enable customers to get the producers and the producers to get customers. And so Life Heroes is about enabling a larger hydrogen economy. We want to have a match between the producers, the actors that want to invest in the energy transition, with the industrial players that are established, whether they are in mobility or industry. We want to enable them to get access to green hydrogen. So we really want to enable the consumer to meet in a few clicks, really simply, the producers. So Life Heroes is about building a B2B marketplace where simply they will get access to each other's. And so that's what has changed the world over the past 20 years, the digital approach of things. And that's what we are duplicating here with Life Heroes.
Copper 360 has shipped copper concentrate from the Northern Cape province for the first time in 21 years, which saw its shares rise by more than 26%.
We bought the Nama copper plant, as you know, some time ago, and that has now been commissioned. And in the first 3 weeks during the commissioning, we've actually achieved our plan. One could actually say we've exceeded it because the plant stood in the first week due to a crushing problem where it's actually in 2 weeks it achieved the production we forecast for 3 weeks. So, and it's produced us 136 tons of copper at over 30% concentrate grades, which is phenomenal for commissioning. Now, it's not a lot of copper that is produced, but that is what we expected during commissioning, and it's the first concentrate that this area, copper concentrate that this area has produced in over 21 years. So, you know, there's a revival now going on of this copper district.
Pilot Crushtec has expanded its product lineup to the Southern African mining markets with the addition of Swedish brand Johnson's crushers and screens.
The Johnson brand already offers quite a wide range of products, and if we had to include the entire range, there would be a lot of crossover between existing products that we already have a footprint within the market of, already service and supply. So our selection's really based around complementing the existing product lineup that we have and adding onto it with incremental gains. So we take a view of a holistic approach from the product lineup where we can service a wider range of the market rather than having products competing directly with each other. I think that there are a lot of mining and mineral ore commodities clients that have requirements for a quick deployment and high volume production jobs, and for them this is probably going to be something that's very interesting. The aggregates environment we don't believe is necessarily a natural market for the Johnson product range, but the mining environment will be really well suited to the product quality and B, the high production volumes that the equipment is able to achieve.
For mining news as it breaks, stay logged on to miningweekly.com and register for our free daily newsletter.